Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a really interesting accessory for the DJI Mini 3 and Mini 3 Pro drones, the LICHIFIT drone airdrop system. This is designed specifically for these models, tailored to fit the drone body snugly. Installation and removal are said to be quite easy, and importantly, the system is designed so it doesn't get in the way of the drone's visual positioning sensors, which is crucial for safe flight. This airdrop system essentially turns your Mini 3 or Mini 3 Pro into a miniature delivery vehicle. It's capable of carrying items weighing up to 200 grams. The system comes with its own remote control, which has a decent range, up to 1,000 meters, allowing for remote delivery over a significant distance. The remote itself has a large capacity 600 milliamp hours battery, which is good to see. The potential uses for something like this are quite varied. The manufacturer suggests things like advertising, dropping bait for fishing, delivering small gifts, sending food items, or even something unique like carrying wedding rings for a ceremony. One of the key considerations for any drone accessory is weight, and the thrower unit itself is remarkably lightweight, coming in at only about 45 grams. This minimal weight is important because it shouldn't significantly increase the burden on the drone or negatively affect its flight performance or battery life too drastically, especially considering the Mini 3 series is known for its portability and flight time. Operating the system seems straightforward. It features a quick release mechanism and is controlled with a single button on the dedicated remote. The design is described as a folding integrated design, which should make installation quick and simple. It uses a buckle system to fasten securely onto the drone body, aiming for a firm attachment that won't easily loosen and, importantly, won't cause any damage to the drone itself. Powering the thrower unit is done via a Type-C port, which is convenient. It has a 150 milliamp hours battery and takes about 120 minutes to fully charge. Once charged, it's stated to have a standby time of around 12 hours and can perform approximately 200 drops on a single charge. This suggests it's ready to go for multiple uses once charged. Overall, the LICHIFIT airdrop system appears to be a well-thought-out accessory for Mini 3 and Mini 3 Pro owners looking to add a unique capability to their drone, allowing them to transport and release small payloads remotely for various creative or practical purposes. Its lightweight design, ease of use, and dedicated remote control with good range make it an interesting option for expanding the functionality of these popular drones.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.